Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me REALME C30, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up and how to use share on this device. Firstly, you need to remove or just disable VPN if you have, and then open control panel, enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile services. If you have no mobile services on your control panel, you need to add it. Click on the edit button, choose here location, drag it to top part of your control panel and enable location services. Then find share, click and hold on it, click share more easily, scroll down, click agree. Cool. Now you can change your device name, you can change your device visibility mode, you can be hidden for everyone, you can be visible only for contacts, or you can be visible for everyone. I suggest to use data mode in data usage modes because it includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. That's it. Now you can enable share, and cool, now we can send and receive data using share. And now, for example, I want to share this image from my Android device to REALME device. To do it, click send button, send via share. Find here your REALME C30 device, click on it and click accept on your device. Cool, as you can see, image was successfully sent. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.